Hello guys, in this video I will tell you about Blue Bexchange application, that how to download and use of Blue Bexchange. This is Blue Bexchange application that is showing on my screen, and this is Red Bexchange application. In my last video I clearly told you the difference between Red Bexchange application and the Blue Bexchange application. But in this video I will tell you about only Blue Bexchange application, that how to use and withdraw your funds by using Blue Bexchange application. My last video about the difference link is in my description. You can also see my last video. So now I'm going to open Blue Bexchange application. When you open the application, this type of interface appears on your screen. Now, let me clear one thing, that if you want this application with login details and other tools also, you can contact me on my WhatsApp contact and also on my Facebook account. I will give you this application with login details. So just contact me on my WhatsApp contact. My WhatsApp contact is in my description and also showing on my screen. So just contact me on my WhatsApp contact. I will give you this application with login details. If you have this application with this same interface that is showing on my screen, then congratulations, you have real application with latest version and you can easily withdraw your funds from Watch Wallet. But if you have not, then text me and receive your application with login details. Now I'm going to open this application with login details. I can also show you login details. You can see on my screen. When you open this application by using login details, the same interface appears on your screen. And now you can easily withdraw your funds by using withdraw BNB funds option, and also you can use transfer BNB option. This is real and legit application with latest version, and this application allow you to withdraw your all funds from Watch Wallet address. Let me clear one thing, that this application means Blue Bexchange application does not require any MoMA number. Okay, but the Red Bexchange application must require MoMA number for any withdrawal. Also, the Red Bexchange has oldest version and working in some countries only, but the Blue Bexchange working all over the countries and you can withdraw your funds in all countries. Is it clear?